Oh, we're smoking over here. What's going on?
Smoking over here.
What happened, Frafu? I don't know what happened, but it's smelling like antifreeze. Let's see what happened over here. What's good, y'all? How y'all doing, man? We here with another vlog, and today I gotta change the plates on the coupe. You see, I'm driving the coupe right now, and also I'm gonna see if I install the front lip, but I gotta paint it and then try to install it since I'm gonna have the bumper off. And let's see what else we got time to do. So I'll see y'all in a little bit at the garage. Let's get it. Make this turn right here. Oh, we're smoking over here. What's going on?
Smoking over here.
What happened, Frafu? I don't know what happened, but it's smelling like antifreeze. Let's see what happened over here. Where's it leaking now? Looks like one of the lines over here. I'll check it when I get to the garage. ¿Ah? ¿Luz?
La eso mismo tiene que ser la luz esa.
I don't know if it's from the intake.
Muévela ahí,
Oh, here.
Ajá. Mira.
Oh.
Vamos a meterle algo ahí.
Oh, that's from the intake.
Creo que vamos a meter eso en el peine ahí.
So, as I'm making my way to the garage, I'm banging the gears, driving, hitting it, you know what I'm saying? And I start seeing some smoke coming from under the car. Car smell like antifreeze, leaking antifreeze. So we kind of figured out what happened. On the intake manifold, there's this little like a coolant tube that goes, let me see if I can zoom in for you guys. That goes right in that location there. So I guess from Skunk 2, it just comes like pressured in there. So what I'm thinking is maybe I'm gonna put some like Honda Bond or some type of silicone around this and stuff it back in with pressure, and hopefully that'll seal the antifreeze leak. But damn, this is crazy, man.
Te lo oyo bien.
We got some Honda Bond.
Mira dónde es el bicho.
It's a little rigged up here, but we're gonna put Honda Bond all around the tube, and then we're gonna stuff the tube in to seal it up. It comes with some type of glue or under pressure in there. I don't know what happened with this intake, but we're gonna fix this right now. So we'll make sure we spread it out evenly all around. So we push the tube in. Now we just gotta wait for it to dry, and hopefully it seals that little problem up. So let's give it some time. So while we wait for that to dry, I actually got a front lip for the coupe here. It's like a spoon style, and Frafu right here. What's up, Frafu? We forgot to say hi to my people.
Hey, hi.
Hey, Frafu in the building. We're gonna take off the bumper because I have to change these plates to the new white ones in New York. So since we're changing that, I'm gonna prep the lip. I'm actually gonna scuff it up, and I'm gonna spray it with some trim black, and I'll show you guys in a little bit. I'm gonna show you guys exactly what I used to prep it. These lips, they come with like a shiny exterior, like a plastic feel. Well, they are plastic, but they come with like a shiny coat on them. So in order for you to get the paint to stick correctly and look good, you gotta scuff it up. But you can't scuff it up with sandpaper that's too coarse. you just have to scuff it really light. So what I use is 3M. This is like half of a square. This is 3M finishing pad, it's called. You use this, you scuff it up. This is finer than the Scotch-Brite. So, what's the name brand? Scotch-Brite, boy. It's actually, this is actually less coarse than the other usual Scotch-Brite, which is like burgundy. So I like using this. And then after you do that, I use some prep ball. And this is the #1 trim black right here that there is. If you ever want to paint any trim, anything, this is like professional grade trim black. So you use this right here and it's gonna look amazing. You guys will see as I get to paint the lip, and I'm gonna show you guys how good it looks. So the lip is finally painted. It's actually installed in the car in front of me. Woo. This lip looking serious. And I got the new New York plates, so check out how this lip came out. Look at that paint on it. This is why you gotta prep. Whatever you're painting, you gotta prep it correctly. Look how good that looks. Woo. Man, when this car is painted. Huh? Man, when this is painted. Look at that. Let me put down the hood for y'all, so we can look at the car with the hood down. Oh God, look at fire! All right, so now let's get to the interior. When you do a auto to manual conversion, inside where the shifter goes, there's actually like a gap there and an extra hole that if you don't cover it, the elements could come up there. So I actually ordered this piece right here from, let me see if I know how to say this. It's from Nathan Tech. I'll put the link in the description. I'm not sponsored by them, but I think it's a cool piece they made. So this basically goes over the shifter and covers that other hole that's right here. So this is the piece I'm talking about. When you guys convert to manual from auto, these holes are here. So we actually gonna put that piece on. And I think it actually has the holes here for it. So it looks like it got all 4 holes. All 6 holes, I mean, I'm sorry. So basically this piece here goes right over this here. Let me try to line it up here. Try to get the camera. So it goes something like so. Wow, this is a nice piece. I actually put all the centerpiece all together. I forgot to film it for you guys because I was in a little rush. But I did some small spaces on the bottle right here, just to give it like a downward angle, because the bottle's supposed to be at about like 15 degrees. So I think it got the right angle now. And what we're getting ready to do is throw the line down the passenger side. So my man Franfu right here, we're about to throw the line somewhere this route, all the way down this way, all the way to the front. So that's what we're getting done right now. We actually threw the line already down the side of the car. And as you can see, you can't really tell the line is anywhere, but just in this little area right there. You see the line right there? That's the only place you can see the line, because I actually gotta take that screw of the panel to hide the line a little bit better, but it's good enough. Ran it down this line here, all the way here, and then I got it balled up here for when I install the solenoid and run the line from the solenoid to the intake. So that'll be on upcoming vlogs, but the centerpiece is now on. And let me show you guys the lip again. Fire. What y'all think? Okay, so now that we did everything else, while we wait for that little tube in the intake to dry, let's turn the car on. I lost a lot of antifreeze, but I'll put some antifreeze, but I need to put more. But it should be enough for the car to stay cool. Let's see if that leaks. So let me turn on the car and we're gonna see what we did work. Let's see. Okay. Let's see if I see any leaks over here. I don't see no leak at all. It was right around that area there. Seems to be holding up, so I guess you guys know how to fix this if you ever ran into this problem. Doesn't look like it's leaking at all. I'm gonna give it some time and let the thermostat open and see if it leaks or not. I'm driving on my way home and I'm like, I gotta show them what the car looked like again because it's crazy. Like, this lip changed the whole look of the car completely. So now that I did everything, let me flip the camera around, show y'all what it looks like in the street now. Check the lip out, man. This car is looking better and better every time, man. I promise y'all this is gonna be just as good as Big Rat or even nicer. Just, you know, taking y'all through the process. The new plates changed the look of the car too. White plates, they look much better than the other orange ones. So, look at that. Hey, what you guys think, man? I like how the lip came out. I did a good job installing it, man. It look OEM. So, I'm gonna end the video here. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for more content. I got more stuff coming, man. Before we do the nitrous, you know I gotta do my little 1s and 2s. Make sure, you know, we can make a few ponies. You know what I'm saying? So, I'll catch you on the next one. Love every single one of y'all. It's Chopper, out of here.